Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your JBC RMSD for optimal performance. We're gonna explain how to connect the different parts of your setup, including tools, cables, stands, and stations. First, plug the power cord into the DME. Next, take the stand cable and connect it to port 1 of the DME. Attach the other end of the stand cable to the add stand. Place the T210 on its stand, then connect the tool cable to it. Now, plug the stand cable into port 2 of the DME, or into... Attach the other end of the stand cable to the add stand. Place the T245 on its stand, then connect its tool cable to it. Next, take the stand cable and connect. Attach the other end of the stand cable to the AM stand. Place the AM120 on its stand, then connect the tool cable to it. Attach the other end of the stand cable to the DTS stand. Place the DT530 on its stand, then Now, in step 13, plug in the power cord into JTSE. Plug JTS stand cable into the stand connector on JTSE. Make sure to match the pattern shape on the heater set with the one on the JTSE. Next, plug the module cable into the in port of the MSE. Then attach the tool cables to the respective cable collectors. Then, connect the other end of the module cable to the peripherals port. Now you just need to plug the power cord of the MSE.